In this video tutorial, we will going to see how to create tables. See, in draw commands, you can find this table over here, and in panel bar you can find this here. And if you want to know shortcut, simply you can type table, T-A-B-L-E, enter. Right away it will open a dialog box like this. In this one you can see plenty of options. We will go one by one. Here some insertion options are there. See how you want to create the table. Start from empty table or from data link. Here we can link the Excel sheets, or from data extraction, means from other CAD drawings we can extract table data. Here it is the preview. And insertion behavior, like how you want to insert. Entirely this part is different and this part is different. Specify insertion point or window. I will show you that later. And here it is showing like a column width, rows, row height, some options. And here set cell styles. First row, how first row will be title, and the second row headers, and the all other rows data. If you want to change, like if I click data here, all the merged cells are separated to 3 individual cells. If I choose this one like this, for the title, all entire row will be merged into a single cell. Let's start with empty table. And if you select this option, you need to go all these options. If you select from data link, it won't be working. Only this one, nothing else working here. Just start with the empty table. Here, first of all, before creating the table, you need to concentrate on these 4 objects. Like if you selected an insertion point, you can add columns, column width, after rows, number of rows, and height. If you select specify window, these 2 selected as auto, you can't edit. I can show you that while creation. Just select this insertion point. First apply number of columns. How many columns you want? I just say 4 columns. What is a column width unit? Default it would be nice. Later on we can change it. And the number of rows, how many rows you want? Like I will say 5 rows. 5 rows I want. And what will be the row height? Okay, leave it. Just I can use this format. I already told you how to change. There depends on your requirement, you can change it. Click on OK. Right away, see, it is asking for a point where to create insertion point. Just click on the sheet, directly it will create the table. See, right away at the title itself, it is asking for the text, what you want to edit. Here it is showing the text options. If I clicked escape once, it is going for cell options. These all are cell options. Table, cell options. If I click again, escape again twice, it is come back from the table options. In AutoCAD we can edit the table again and again. How many times you want, that's not a problem. If you select on the lines, it is highlighting like this. If you select on lines, you will get these gripping options. Like if you can change the width of individual cells like this. And if you want, here you can drag it and you can stretch it like this. You can change with the gripping points. And if you want to edit the text in individual cells, all you need to do, hover over your pick box in the middle of the cell and double click it. If you click single, it will give you cell options. All you need to do, double click it, then you can edit the text. I can do whatever I want. If you click outside, it will be exit from the table option. So like this way you can edit. If you select single click on one cell, you will get some cell options like insert above, insert below, delete, insert left or right. These are row options, these are column options, merge options. Whatever the options you will get in MS Excel, the same option you will get over here. Everything same. So some options are not working. Why? Because only single cell selected. If you want to select multiple cell, hold mouse click and drag. Click and drag. With the dotted window, you need to select multiple cells. See, it is selected multiple cells. Now these are come to picture. we will go one by one cell options. While creating this table, I have entered 4 columns, 1 2 3 4 columns, and I have entered 5 rows, but it is created 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, one for title, another for header, later on for data. So it is confirmed that whatever the row values you are entering in table option, that will be only for data, not considering the title and header. So before creation the table, you need to remember that point. Now I am selecting multiple cells, or you can select a single cell. If you click insert above, right above that cell, one row is created. Insert below, below that cell, one row is created. Delete row, whatever the row you have selected, that will be deleted. Delete. You can delete the number of cells. Similarly, insert left side one column, right side one column. If you don't want, delete the columns. The selected column will be deleted, like that. If you select multiple, you will get the merge option. See, I am selecting this many cells. In the merge type, merge all. If you select it, all cells will be merged and unmerged will be activated. And if you select merge by row, only rows. If you unmerge, if you select merge by column, only columns will be merged. This way you can do the all merging options, and you can go around all other options similar to the Excel sheet. Same option will be present in AutoCAD also. If you double click it, while entering the text, you already know how to do the text options in MS Word. Similar pattern only, like annotative, everything will be same, bold, italic, underline. All options, even the justifications also there. All options are similar to the Excel and Word, similar to those. With this option, I have just created like a normal table, empty table. Later on, I can edit it. Similarly, if you select the table, it will act as an object. You can move, M enter, you can move, or copy, CO enter, select this number of copies I can create, or rotate, RO enter, select this, click enter. See, you can rotate, you can do whatever you want in AutoCAD. This table is just like a normal object. You can do whatever you want. And the next one, here I am using the table. I am clicking on table. Next one, specify window. If you click on here, these two won't work. Simply, if you click OK, see the insertion pattern is changed a little bit. Previous option we just clicked single point. Now we need to click 2 points. 2 diagonal points. First one, if you just move your cursor, see what is happening. It is just increasing the column width. Make sure remember this one. Increase in the column width, and if you go below in this direction, it is increasing the number of rows. One column width is changing and number of rows adding. If you remember these two options, column width auto, number of rows auto. Now you understand why these two are hidden. Got it? This way you can create an empty table and you can edit. Now from data link, if you want to link any Excel data link, you can use this option. See, I have created a sample table in the Excel, a small table like this, a sample one, like from A1 to C7. These cells only I have entered, rest of them are empty. I didn't do anything, even I didn't use this border options also. I just created this sample table. Next, now step by step you need to follow how to link it. Here it is showing no data links are present. You need to click here. If you click it here, it is asking for select data link. No data links are present. Create new Excel data link. Now in AutoCAD, if you create any new object, it will ask for you to create a name for it, any name. I am just adding EXCEL. Click OK. one link is created, and now it is asking for a browse the file. Click here, locate the file where you have created that table, click OK. It will take some time and it will create a sample table. See, here you can see the preview. Again, some options, make sure you need to go here. So I just created this Excel. What path you want, full path, no path, or anything. You can choose anything you want. Links, select Excel sheet to link to sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. See, in Excel format you will having these options, right? These are showing here, which means you can create a table from other sheets also. I have just choose all these options. I just click OK. Here one Excel link is created. Click OK again. It will show you a preview, and if you want you can check it here as well. Select the Excel, click OK. Right away it is creating the table. If you click wherever you want, right away it is created an empty table. See, I have created an entire table. I didn't choose anyone. See, if suppose I want to create a table from A3 to C6, again I am creating the same table. Clicking on from data link, click here, create new link, again name like 2, click OK. Browse the file, same file I am selecting. Now I am using this link to range. If I click here, it will ask for link to range. From you need to type this one column. See, if you click on preview, not comma, you need to remember, you need to assign in this format. If you click OK, second one is created, click OK again, and select this one and click OK again. See, with the same file I have created 2 tables. I just linked with the 2 tables. What if I have selected sheet 3, like I just use one over here, somewhere over here, I don't know what it is, but I have typed 2, like I have entered in these 2 cells only, in between nothing I have drawn anything. You need to save first. Click on save. Now go to CAD, again table, from data link, new 3, OK. Browse the file, same file. Now you can select it here. Default it is selected to sheet 1. Now it is showing like this. If I select sheet 3, click on preview. See, it is showing like this. Click OK. Again click OK. Again OK. See, one file I have created 3 files. I can create an entire file, or next sheet, or within one sheet from range. See, it is creating line tables and cells with respect to the Excel sheet. You don't need to use any borders and all. Whatever the properties you have entered, that will be updated here. If you want, you can edit here, but if I double click it, it is showing like a data link is created. You can't change it over here. All you need to do, you can change over here and you can update it. What I am doing here, I just typed 1 2 3 over here. I just need to save it first, then go to CAD. You can update in 2 different methods, like select the table, right click it, update table data link. If you click it here, automatically it will be updated. See, it is updated. If suppose in the sheet 1, I just want to do it here 1 2 3, and in the sheet 3 somewhere over here 5 6 8. I have entered sheet 1, sheet 3 and both, and I just saved it. See, don't need to select everything. You can simply do one thing at the insert panel. Go to data link, right beside it download from source. If you click it here, select objects or data links, select all, click enter. It is loading. See, right away it is updated. this is how you can use tables in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Take care.